Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today I will show you how to add a bank account to your PayPal account. First, log in to your PayPal account. Click on the wallet option in the top menu. Under bank accounts, click on link a bank account. Enter your bank details such as account number and if SCABA routing number. Click link bank account to proceed. PayPal may send 2 small deposits to your bank account for verification. Check your bank statement, then return to PayPal to confirm the amounts. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.